No.
So hey guys, so we have here 3 snow spray. We also call this party spray. I mean this type of thing.
Oh my god!
We also have X. Damn! We are going to smash this snow can. Let's see what happens. So before we start our video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. Let's smash this snow can.
This video is truly for entertainment purpose. Please don't try this at home.
Alright guys, let's do it. Okay, enough. So alright guys, this is what happened. So let's try again. So alright guys, so as you guys can clearly see that we actually smashed the whole can and snow can. So this is the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. So this is Lord of Experiment and I'll catch you in the next video. So tata, bye bye.